Hi there. Welcome to Remarkable Top 5. Join me as we explore the world's most fascinating and amazing top 5 lists. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started.
Welcome to our Top 5 Remarkable YouTube channel where we're counting down the best gas chainsaws for homeowners. As a homeowner, you want a chainsaw that is powerful, reliable, and easy to use. That's why we've put together this list of the top 5 gas chainsaws for homeowners. There are several pros of using a gas chainsaw over an electric one. One is power. Gas chainsaws are typically more powerful than electric ones. They have bigger engines that can generate higher chain speeds and greater torque, which means they can handle tougher cutting jobs more easily. 2 is portability. Gas chainsaws don't require a power outlet, so they can be used in remote locations where electricity is not available. This makes them ideal for outdoor jobs like tree felling or cutting firewood. 3. It has no cord. Gas chainsaws don't have cords that can restrict movement or become tangled, which makes them easier to use in tight spaces or when working at heights. 4. They have a longer runtime. Gas chainsaws can run for longer periods of time than electric ones because they don't rely on a battery or need to be plugged in. This can be useful when working on larger jobs that require more time and effort. 5 is durability. Gas chainsaws are typically built to be more durable and can withstand harsher conditions than electric ones. They are often designed with stronger materials and can handle more wear and tear over time. So overall, gas chainsaws are a good choice if you need a powerful, portable tool for tough cutting jobs that require extended use. They do, however, require more maintenance and can be louder and heavier than electric chainsaws. Electric chainsaws are a good choice if you need a quieter, lighter tool for smaller jobs. Now starting at number 5 on our list is the Ryobi 14-inch 37cc 2-cycle chainsaw. This lightweight chainsaw is perfect for light to medium duty. With a 14-inch bar and chain, it can easily handle tree branches, firewood, and other small to medium-sized woodcutting tasks. It has a powerful engine. With a 37cc 2-cycle engine, this chainsaw delivers ample power to handle medium-duty cutting tasks with ease. With a lightweight design and weighing in at just over 10 pounds, the Ryobi chainsaw is easy to maneuver and handle, even for beginners. This chainsaw features an automatic oiling system that ensures the bar and chain stay lubricated during use, reducing wear and prolonging the life of the tool. Adjusting the chain tension is a breeze with the Ryobi chainsaw's tool-less tensioning system. However, the Ryobi 14-inch chainsaw is not designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks, such as felling large trees or cutting thick logs. And some users may find the chainsaw difficult to start, especially when it's cold outside. But overall, the Ryobi 14-inch 37cc 2-cycle gas chainsaw is a reliable and affordable option for homeowners who need a versatile tool for small to medium cutting tasks around their property. Number 4 is the Extreme Power US 22-inch 45cc gas 2-stroke chainsaw. This chainsaw is great for medium to heavy-duty cutting tasks. With its 22-inch bar and chain, it can handle larger trees and heavier woodcutting tasks with ease. The Extreme Power US 22-inch chainsaw is a solid and reliable tool for those who need to tackle larger trees and logs. Its 45cc engine delivers plenty of power to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The automatic oiling system ensures that the chain is always well lubricated, which helps to extend the life of the chain and the bar. The chainsaw is also very easy to use, thanks to the side-mounted chain tensioning system. This allows you to make quick and easy adjustments to the chain tension as needed, without having to stop and take the chainsaw apart. Additionally, the anti-vibration design helps to reduce user fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods of time. With a 45cc 2-stroke engine, this chainsaw is powerful enough to handle most homeowner tasks. The 22-inch bar and chain make this chainsaw great for cutting large logs and trees. The Extreme Power US chainsaw is relatively affordable compared to other gas chainsaws with similar specifications. This chainsaw has an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle for extended periods of time. However, the Extreme Power US chainsaw is quite heavy, which can make it difficult to use for long periods of time. And as with most gas-powered chainsaws, the extreme power US is quite loud and may not be suitable for use in noise-sensitive areas. Some users have reported issues with the chainsaw's durability over time, such as the chain tensioner breaking or the engine malfunctioning. Overall, the Extreme Power US 22-inch 45cc gas 2-stroke chainsaw is a great tool for homeowners and professionals who need to tackle larger jobs. It's reliable, efficient, and easy to use, making it a worthwhile investment for those who need a powerful and dependable chainsaw. Coming in at number 3 is the Hoyosen 54.6cc 2-cycle gas-powered chainsaw. The Hoyosen is a high-performance tool designed for both professionals and homeowners who need a powerful and reliable chainsaw for various cutting tasks. This chainsaw is powered by a 54.6cc 2-stroke engine, which delivers enough power for tough cutting tasks such as felling trees, pruning branches, and cutting firewood. It has a 20-inch bar length, which is ideal for medium to large cutting tasks. It allows you to cut through thick logs and branches with ease. The chainsaw features an easy start system that reduces the effort required to start the engine. This system ensures quick and effortless starting, even in cold weather conditions. It is also equipped with an anti-vibration system that reduces operator fatigue and ensures comfortable use for extended periods. The chainsaw has an automatic oiling system that ensures the chain is properly lubricated, extending the life of both the chain and the bar. The Hoyosen chainsaw is reasonably priced, making it an affordable option for homeowners who need a powerful chainsaw for occasional use. However, the Hoyosen 54.6cc chainsaw is quite heavy, which can make it difficult to use for extended periods of time. Some users have reported that certain parts of the chainsaw, such as the plastic cover, feel flimsy and may break easily. They've also reported that the chainsaw can be challenging to maintain, with parts being hard to find and replace in case of damage or wear. Overall, the Hoyosen 54.6cc 2-cycle gas-powered chainsaw is a high-performance tool that offers excellent value for its price. Its powerful engine, 20-inch bar length, anti-vibration, automatic oiling, and air filter systems make it a reliable and efficient tool for various cutting tasks. Number 2 on our list is the Poulan Pro PR 4218, 18-inch 42cc 2-cycle gas chainsaw. This chainsaw is a powerful and reliable tool for homeowners looking to tackle a variety of outdoor cutting tasks. It has an 18-inch bar length and 42cc 2-cycle engine and an effortless pull starting system for easy startup. The Poulan Pro PR 4218 is a powerful chainsaw that can handle a wide range of cutting tasks, from trimming branches to felling small trees. The automatic oiler ensures that the chain stays lubricated during use, which reduces wear and tear on the chain and bar. The reduced vibration handle is a nice feature that makes the chainsaw more comfortable to use for longer periods of time. It also has a chain brake, which is an important safety feature that helps to prevent accidents. Some users have reported that the chainsaw can be difficult to start if it hasn't been used in a while, despite the effortless pull starting system. This chainsaw is a bit heavier than some others in its class, which can make it more difficult to maneuver for some users. The automatic oiler can sometimes leak oil, which can be messy and wasteful if not addressed promptly. Some users have reported that the chain tensioner can be difficult to use, which can make it challenging to maintain the proper chain tension during use. Overall, the Poulan Pro PR 4218 is a solid choice for homeowners looking for a reliable and powerful gas chainsaw. Its features and safety measures make it a great option for a wide range of outdoor cutting tasks, although it may not be the best choice for users who prefer a lighter weight or who have difficulty with chain tensioning. Before we reveal the top pick, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And finally, the number 1 chainsaw on our list is the Craftsman S185 42cc full crank 2-cycle gas chainsaw. This chainsaw is a powerful and reliable tool designed for homeowners who need a robust chainsaw for their outdoor projects. It has an 18-inch bar length and a 42cc engine, which makes it suitable for medium to large-sized trees, but it may struggle with very large or hardwood trees. With its 42cc engine, the Craftsman S185 can handle tough cutting tasks with ease. It can cut through trees and logs quickly and efficiently. The chainsaw features a simple, 3-step starting process, which makes it easy to get the engine running quickly. Weighing just over 12 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for a gas chainsaw, which makes it easier to handle and maneuver during cutting tasks. The chainsaw features a low kickback bar and chain, which helps to reduce the risk of injury while using it. The chainsaw features a side-mounted tensioning system, which makes it easy to adjust the tension on the chain without any tools. The S185 can produce significant vibrations while in use, which can make it difficult to handle for extended periods. Some users have reported issues with oil leaks, which can be messy and potentially hazardous. Users have also reported issues with the durability of the chainsaw, particularly the plastic components, which can crack or break after extended use. Overall, the Craftsman S185 42cc full-crank 2-cycle gas chainsaw is a reliable and powerful tool that is well suited for homeowners who need a chainsaw for occasional outdoor projects. While it may not be the most durable or vibration-free option, it provides excellent value for the price and is easy to use, making it a popular choice among homeowners. That concludes our countdown of the top 5 gas chainsaws for homeowners. We hope this video has provided valuable insights for those looking to purchase a reliable and efficient chainsaw for their next outdoor project. Whether it's cutting firewood, trimming trees, or tackling large-scale projects, these chainsaws are all excellent choices that offer different features and benefits. Remember to always prioritize safety when using a chainsaw and follow manufacturer instructions for proper usage and maintenance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more remarkable top 5 videos on our channel.